Good afternoon, everyone. I am presenting here smart helmet using the Arduino, which help us to motorcycle ride safely. Our team members are Chandana Jian, Chetan MP, Indira TS Jankar, guided by Ravinandan Janam. Our content are problem statement, why we chosen this problem, connection between the real world and the IoT concept, object,
Nindira, your voice is breaking. I think due to network issue.
problem statement. Our project goal is to ensure that the motorcycle rider safely using the Arduino-based smart helmet system automatically checks the force safely assess before the vehicle can start. Helmet is on if the rider uh, wasn't wear the helmet properly. It checks IR sensor, no alcohol detection. If the
Indira, IR sensor stands for
IR sensor stand for inference inference frequency, Infer, infrared frequency.
IR.
Infrared sensor, sir.
Yes, continue.
No alcohol detection. No alcohol, no alcohol detection.
How are you going to
The
detect the alcohol?
by using by using sensor.
Which sensor?
MQ3 sensor, sir.
I am asking Indira Jankar.
MQ3 sensor, sir.
MQ3 stands for okay.
Next, rider is not drowsy. This sensor is
Drowsy
IR
means
sensor. Drowsy means sleepy. If the rider feels sleepy, it can detect the IR sensor by using IR sensor.
IR sensor. Is it detect is sleepy mode?
Yes, sir.
How?
By blinking the eyes, by closing the
Okay.
eyes
For how many seconds?
for 3 seconds, sir.
Is it only 3 seconds?
More than 5 or 3 seconds, sir.
Okay. If the rider is feeling drowsy or is feeling sleepy means the sensor is going to detect and
Yes,
alert. Okay.
yes, sir.
You continue.
Helmet is within the safe range. If the rider goes away from the helmet, the helmet gets sensor or a alert or a buzzer the helmet, sir. If any of
Why?
these conditions, why? Uh, because the helmet is far away from the mm, bike and the person, sir. So it can detect.
Okay, continue. ಏನೋ ಇದು ಲೆಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಂದಿರಾ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Yes, sir. Why we chosen this problem? High impact safety problem. Nowadays motorcycle riders are faced 78 times accident better than the car driver. Um, the helmet prevents the 37 of lives lives because nowadays the helmet won't use the many peoples, but but we feel sleepy or if the driver feels sleepy or uh, it caused the 17.6% of crashes. Drink and drive can create the many accident. For example, Kurnal case, one drink biker can cause the 19 deaths. Second one, solve the multiple issues in one system. Downs, Drowsiness detection, which cause the which can detect the sleepiness. Alcohol detection, helmet wearing enforcement, which can detect the alcohol, and if the rider wear helmet properly. Vehicle thief prevent, which may lost or something happen to the helmet. It can prevent the thief. Next, result. Implemented result. Vehicle won't start without the helmet. Without the helmet, vehicle didn't start. Automatic alcohol blocks. If the person get uh, alcohol sensing, it will uh, block automatically. Real time downless alter. If the person gets sleepy or something, the person get LED or a buzzer alter.
Indira,
Yes, sir.
now you told us sleepy or something. What is that something?
Mm, Sleepiness, sir.
Something means okay. If the person is slept or feeling of sleeping means okay, fine. Sleepy or something. If the person is doing something means your project will detect, right? What is that something?
Nothing, sir.
Now only told if the person is sleeping or doing something. Yes, guys, right? Now only she told.
Yeah, sir.
uh, exactly what is that something? Nothing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
Visible safely enforcement, which is it is very safely road and visible enforcement. Next, connection between the real world and the IoT concept. The real world problem: motorcycle rider due to not wearing the helmet. If the rider won't wear the helmet, if the rider won't wear the helmet, the sensor IR sensor will detect, and it calls the alert buzzer. Rider under the alcohol influence. If the person get if the rider get the alcohol sensing, the alcohol sensed by the MQ3 and microcontroller logic. The microcontroller is thin uh, thin thin layer and the low cost. um, and rider downless cause the accident. If the person get sleepy, it cause the accident. We use the time window logic and the IR sensor. Helmet thief or a loss. If the helmet get lost or um, lost or distance may cause the RF communication, alter or a buzzer the LED to the helmet. Next, objective. Smart helmet system designed using the Arduino. By using the Arduino, we created a smart helmet. RF based helmet to vehicle communication. RF means radio frequency, which can communicate between the two biker and the helmet. Alcohol detection with a MQ3 sensor. Helmet weights detection with a IR sensor,
With or via?
uh, via IR sensor. Drowsiness detection or a sleepy caused the time window logic. Thief
What
can
about
detect
time window logic, Indira?
time window logic.
ಬೇಗ 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 ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಕ 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 ಅಂತ
No, sir.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
No, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಬ್ರೌಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಂಟರ್. ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ?
No, sir.
ದೆನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Thief detection and the alter. Uh, Real time buzzer and LED alter. In real time, we use the buzzer and the LED alert for helmet. System status display on LCD. System automatically injection control.
ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಆರ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್?
Automatic vehicle injection
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್?
ignition control.
ಓಕೆ.
And low cost, finally the it may have the low cost and moderate electrical design, modulary electrical design. Next will be continued by Jankar.
The software acts as the brain that controls how the hardware behaves. We use Arduino UNO, used for programming and uploading. Sorry. Arduino IDE serves as the central processing unit. It collects signal from all sensors, process them, and makes real-time decisions. And we use 433 MHz RF transmitter and receiver modules. Uh, it facilitates wireless communication between the helmet and the vehicle. Next, if we use MQ3 alcohol sensor, detects the presence of alcohol in the rider's breath by measuring ethanol vapor concentration. And we use IR sensors. We use two IR sensors. One detects if the helmet is wear or not. Another tracks eye blinking to identify drowsiness. Next, we use LED and buzzer for alert and visual displays the current status such as helmet not worn or safe. LED and buzzer provide immediate visual and audible alerts to the rider. We use lithium-ion battery for power supply, and then one channel relay module vehicle, and it controls vehicle ignition, only enables ignition when helmet is wear and no alcohol is detected. And antenna wire, it has both transmitter and receiver side. It ensures stable of radio frequency signal transmission and reception. And breadboard and connecting wires used for circuit assembly and sensor interconnections. Next, we go to the software.
ಜೇನ್ಕರ್,
Sir,
previous slide. Go for previous slide. Scroll. Okay, Arduino UNO you are using.
yes, sir.
Which microcontroller is inserted in Arduino UNO? I think yesterday I have been taught you guys.
At Mega, 328, sir.
Right. 328. Then
328 SP.
only P.
Only P, sir.
Okay. Okay, continue.
Next, we can go through the software components. We use Arduino IDE for used for programming and uploading code to the Arduino UNO board. We use embedded C or C++. Contains logic for reading sensors, interrupting signals, and controlling outputs. Then we use Arduino IDE have several libraries such as RS Ask Radio Aids purpose, handles wireless communication using ASK protocol over 433 MHz radio frequency. It's an external Arduino library, and SPI.h enables low-level serial communication needed by radio frequency modules. It is built-in library in Arduino IDE, and Wire.h facilitates 12C protocol for connecting the LCD module. It is also built in Arduino library, and Liquid Crystal 12C.h. It controls the 16 into 2 LCD screen via the 12C interface. It is the external library of the Arduino IDE. Next we will continue by Chandana GN.
System design. System design is divided into two major parts: transmit unit and receiver unit. Transmit unit is fixed inside the element and receiver unit in the vehicle. Transmit,
Our honorable class representative Chandana GN. Go for
sir,
previous slide. Okay, a transmitter unit is implemented
element.
inside the helmet.
But in our project we are doing upside, sir. In future it will be implemented
Upside or outside?
outside, sir.
Okay.
But in
Outside
future,
means where?
sir, on helmet
Any diagram
surface, sir.
representation?
Sir, in helmet surface, sir.
Okay. Any diagram representation or blueprint? Is it available?
No, sir, but
Is it your incident PPT?
yeah, this circuit will be placed in the helmet surface, sir.
Okay. Okay, continue.
Transmit unit,
Transmitter.
transmitter,
Okay.
transmitter unit. I,
What do you mean by transmitter, Chandana?
sir, it's collect the information and gives to the RF transmit.
What it will sense?
Sir, it collects the sensors detection, sir. If alcohol detect its analog sends the detection one in binary code, sir.
Is it sensor detects the physical or atmosphere changes, or transmitter detects the physical changes?
Sensor detects the physical changes, sir. It's
Okay.
sends the information, sir.
Okay. What's the work of transmitter?
It's, don't know,
Why?
sir. It's transmitter, sir. Sir, it
Trans
collects the information and sends to the receiver.
Via
That's
how it will sense?
sir using the RF transmitter. Arduino collects and sends.
Okay. Arduino will collect the data, sensor will collect the data, transmitter will transmit the data. How? Via how? 40. For example, if you need to send anything to your group, means we'll go through WhatsApp, right? If you need to communicate with your friends, means we'll go through call. So transmitter is need to transmit the signal, means how it will transmit.
Sir, using Bluetooth or
Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Bluetooth is nothing but used to sharing the resources. Then what's the use of doing using transmitter? Then we'll go for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, RFID, Zigbee, LoRa. Come on, our honorable CR. through the electric signal. It will transmit or sends through electrical signal.
electrical
That's it.
signal.
Okay, continue.
I, IR, IR sensor, infrared sensor one detects the element is properly placed on the rider head. IR2 sensor detects the sleeping detection. When eyes is blinks, it detects when it's more than 5 seconds, it gives the signal is sleeping.
How it
MQ,
will give you the signal? He is sleeping. Is it tell he is sleeping? Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping? Or what type of signal?
sir, it is connected to Arduino, sir, by using
Okay.
sir,
Okay.
analog to switch. It's
Is it
when
stop the particular vehicle, or it will scale down the speed, or it will go
it
through buzzer,
stops
or
the no, sir, it stops the engine, sir.
okay, exactly, it will stop the engine.
Engine, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Team members, is it right?
No, sir. Buzzer ಮುಖಾಂತರ alert ಕೊಡು sir.
Okay,
No, sir, it's
just only
also
alert.
stops. No, sir, it's also stops the engine, sir.
First get clarity. If the
Sir, it
person while
gives the
driving, if
buzzers
the
also,
sleeping
sir.
mode
When
is there. Okay, continue.
it gives the buzzer and light also, sir, and
Okay.
stops the engine also, sir.
Okay, stops the engine also. First it will give buzzer, and then it will stop the ignition or a engine or a bike,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Screen record ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
MQ3. Methane quality 3 alcohol sensor checks the alcohol in the rider breath. Arduino UNO microcontroller board collects the processor of sensor signals. RF transmitter, radio frequency transmitter, sends the data wireless to the vehicle side, receiver side. LED, LED and buzzers gives the alert for the alcohol or sleeping detection. Lithium ion battery powers all the element components. Receiver unit. Receiver unit R- RF receiver receives the data from the element. Arduino interprets the data and controls the actions. Uh, Relay models manages the engine ignition. The engine will not start if any engine engine won't start if any safety rules fails. And CD.
Chandana,
Uh,
you're using LED and buzzer. You're using buzzer to alert the driver, right?
yes, sir.
Then why you're using LED?
Sir, for visuals,
For which visuals?
sir, in front of if someone is deaf, not hearing the voice, sir, he can visually like
Pandey sir.
blinking.
LED stands for
Uh, Light emitted diode,
light emitted or emitting.
emitting diode.
Yes, good. Continue. Pandey sir taragade ground floor.
Relay model manages the engine ignition. The engine will not start if any safety rules fails. LCD shows the message like element is not placed or alcohol is detected. LED and buzzer provides the visual and sound effect. Overall system operation. Both units communicate using RF signals. If the element is not placed properly or alcohol is detected, the relay cuts off ignition. If the rider shows sleepiness, the buzzer and LED alerts immediately. This ensures the bike starts only when all safety conditions are satisfied. Next, continued by Chetan.
Yeah, come on, Chetan.
Power requirements. Operators on 5 volt for all sensors and the Arduino board. Low average
We
power.
operates on 5V. V means
Sir, 5 voltage. Volt.
volt. How much power or how much voltage you record to execute your project, means execute your project? Little bit advanced question. Still you are not in implementation part, still you are giving presentation, but I am asking just because of a curiosity, how our Chetan is involved in this presentation, how he is involved in this project. Any idea, Chetan?
No, sir.
Okay, continue.
Low average power draw suitable for daily two-wheeler use without frequent charging.
Frequent charging means now you told we required power requirement, voltage of current, then why you need to charge that? Specific amount of power you guys are supplying, right? Then why you need to charge that?
Sir,
For
we are
battery,
using lithium batteries, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Lithium battery. Ah, charge. Okay, continue, continue.
cost approximately total estimated cost 3,300 to 5,000. Sir, users rapidly available low cost
Okay,
components.
now we'll go for dollars. You have mentioned the dollars, right,
Yes,
Chetan?
yes, sir.
40 to $60 means how much cost? Is it 3,300 or 5,000? Converted to dollars.
3,300.
Okay, then what about dollars? In Indian rupees, for $1, how much cost?
₹83. Sir.
Okay, 83.
Yes.
Daily, is it dollar varies or not?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, continue.
Users readily available low cost components. Arduino Uno MQ3 sensor IR sensor. Ideal for student project academic demos and prototype testing. Scalability easy upgradable with Bluetooth, GSM or GPS module for advanced tracking. Modular architecture allows independent upgrade of transmitter or receiver based on universal Arduino libraries, enabling application across multiple units. Future scope.
Ah,
Input
go for previous slide. Jenkar. GPS or GSM stands for GPS.
uh, uh, global
Global.
global position systems.
Okay, GSM. Search ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
Smart helmet projects.
Ah, global system for mobile communication. Okay, continue.
Future scope.
Future.
Integrate
What do you mean by future scope, Chetan? Now we explained about power requirement. Means how much power requirement. These are all now are explained. I'm okay with that. What do you mean by future scope? IoT integration, GPS, Bluetooth, is it okay? What is exactly the future scope?
uh, possible improvements.
Possible improvement.
Yes,
When?
mm, to a project made in the future to make more advanced.
Okay, future scope means making the project in advance.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Integrate IoT and cloud storage for
Integrate or integration.
integrates
uh,
integrate IoT and cloud storage for remote data logging, add GPS for location tracking and accident reporting, enable Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone based alerts, use GSM modules for automatic SOS message, include AI based facial or voice recognition for rider authentication, optimize battery life using solar or low power design,
ಏ
expand.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು?
So,
ಪಿ ಪಿ ಟಿಲಿ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
PPT
ಓ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಸಪ್ರೇಟು?
sir,
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
include AI based facial or voice recognition for rider authentication, optimize battery life using solar or low power design, expand to industrial safety helmets for worker monitoring. Conclusion: the helmet system efficiency combines embedded electronics and IoT principle for rider safety. It enforces helmet use, detects alcohol and drowsiness, and prevents theft. The solution is cost effective, scalable, and technically feasible. The project demonstrates how technology can directly contribute to public safety. Thank you, sir.
Okay, what about reference?
Sir.
Not explained reference, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just showing the links.
Yes.
Sir, we went using YouTube video, sir,
Okay,
and
if I
it's
need
only
to, if I need to go through the reference means I need to copy the link and I need to go through YouTube.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First one is YouTube link. Second one,
Sir, it's reference like guidance.
paper, research paper, right?
Yes,
Okay, which journal?
sir.
Which journal, Chetan? Which journal? There is a specific journal and specific author. If you guys are doing this project means you are all the authors,
Yes.
right? You guys are doing this project and you will guys will upload one research paper in a specific journal. Then it will be recognized. This is what research. Now you guys are taken the reference from the particular journal or a particular author. So I'm asking that which journal?
IoT based smart helmet system using audio.
Okay, author. Literature survey means is it, right? Finding the past experience, finding the past data. This is what literature survey. You guys are not included the literature survey means in a reference you have to explain that. First one, okay, okay with the YouTube, okay with the YouTube link. And second one, Chetan,
Sir.
come on man, why this much of drowsiness, sleepy mode? Okay, guys, well done. At least ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೋ.
Yes, sir.
No.
ಓಕೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ವೆಲ್ ಡನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ವೀರಭದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಚ್ಮೆನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಚ್ಮೆನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ ಡನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ರೀಡ್ ಎ ಐ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ನ ನಾನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಏನಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.